Welcome to our in-depth exploration of the 2025 Mercedes-Benz EQS, the pinnacle of luxury electric sedans. This video will guide you through its groundbreaking features, performance capabilities, and the anticipated pricing in Pakistan. The Mercedes-Benz EQS represents a harmonious blend of elegance and innovation. Its sleek, aerodynamic design not only captivates the eye but also enhances efficiency, embodying the future of automotive luxury. Under the hood, the EQS offers multiple configurations. The EQS 450 Plus features a single rear-mounted electric motor delivering 335 horsepower and 419 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking more power, the EQS 584 Matic boasts a dual-motor setup, providing a combined 516 horsepower and 611 lb-ft of torque, ensuring exhilarating acceleration and a dynamic driving experience. Equipped with a substantial 118 kWh battery, the EQS offers an impressive range, allowing drivers to embark on long journeys with confidence. Charging is versatile, supporting both AC and DC options. With DC fast charging capabilities, you can replenish the battery from 10% to 80% in approximately 31 minutes, minimizing downtime during travel. The interior of the EQS is a sanctuary of luxury. High-quality materials, meticulous craftsmanship, and advanced technology converge to create an unparalleled cabin experience. The optional Hyperscreen, a seamless glass panel spanning the dashboard, integrates multiple displays, providing intuitive access to vehicle controls and entertainment. Comfort is paramount in the EQS. Features such as heated and ventilated seats, ambient lighting, and a premium sound system ensure every journey is pleasurable. The spacious rear seats, which can recline up to 38 degrees, offer passengers a first-class experience, making long trips relaxing and enjoyable. Safety remains a cornerstone of Mercedes-Benz philosophy. The EQS is equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking. These systems work harmoniously to provide peace of mind on every drive. In terms of pricing, the Mercedes-Benz EQS is positioned as a premium offering in the electric vehicle market. In Pakistan, the anticipated price for the EQS 450 Plus model starts at approximately PKR 29,680,000, reflecting its status as a luxury electric sedan. The EQS also addresses practical considerations. Its spacious trunk and flexible seating configurations make it suitable for various lifestyles, whether you're carrying luggage for a weekend getaway or transporting larger items. Driving the EQS is a serene experience. The near-silent electric powertrain, coupled with advanced noise insulation,